how to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard emoji pairs on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then go down and tap on Suggest stickers while typing. And here, tap on Emoji Pairs. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on the Emoji Pairs stickers on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.